Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what's filling the drive. Open Settings, go to System Storage, and scan by category so you know where to focus. Once you see large temporary and system caches, run Disk Cleanup or Storage Sense to remove temp, Windows Update leftovers, and installer caches. You should also uninstall large, unused applications sorted by size. This frees space fast and reduces background services. Make sure to empty the recycle bin immediately so deleted files free real space. Once the quick wins are done, run a disk analyzer like WinDirestat to pinpoint oversized folders and hidden duplicates so you know what to move or delete. Move bulky media, videos, raw photos, game installers, to an external SSD or cloud storage. Choose NTFS for large Windows drives or XFAT for cross-platform use. If you can't move files, enable NTFS compression selectively or run a duplicate file finder to remove redundant copies. Together, these steps reduce used space without harming system files. Finish by reclaiming system-managed allocations. Reduce system restore shadow storage or delete old restore points. Then relocate or resize the page file if another drive is available and reboot to apply changes. Run Disk Cleanup again with system files included to remove Windows Update and upgrade leftovers. If space still appears unchanged, run chkdsk and sfc to repair file system errors and scan for malware that generates hidden files. If an operation fails, note the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.